So for our customers that use a fine hole machine, questions sometimes come up with regards to the correct dielectric fluid. Our answer to that is you want to use an ET dielectric fluid. ET standing for extra thin. Extra thin oil has a lower viscosity, which is very important for when you're burning with a smaller pipe diameter with a very small ID. The extra thin oil will flow easier through that small ID when burning a fine hole application. So for our fine hole machines made by Makino, we highly recommend that our customers use an ET oil.